How does electric fan works?
Palamig ka muna, palamig ka muna. Kahit saan ka pumunta, sobrang haba ng pila. Basta sama-sama, di ka mag-iisa. Palamig ka muna.
Before we discuss how electric fan works, we must identify first its parts and its uses. First is blades. It's an object that spins and pushes the air forward. Hub. Is at the center of the fan that connects the motor. Capacitor. It is a device used to boost the voltage to the motor.
Motor. It makes the blades rotate. Switch. It connects and disconnects the circuit.
Wirings. Carries the electric current to the devices.
Electricity has many uses in our lives. For example, light, phone, computer, transportation like buses and trains, appliances like fan that played a major role in our lives. Dapat lagi na po tayo na yung mga ano.
Wiring. It carries the